Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Air Sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat, So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate for you. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka namang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Siya yung pwede magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. So, hopefully, mag-iwan ka ng likes at comments sa pinaka-video na ito. Ma-appreciate ko yan, guys. Sobra-sobrang pagpapakita ng support sa akin yan. So, sana mag-iwan ka ng comment sa baba. So, start na natin ang reading mo. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Let's start your reading. Okay. Main energy, you do have here the Page of Cups. For air sign, please. Seven of Pentacles. The Star. Okay. So, at the bottom of the deck, you do have here Six of Swords. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, nakikita natin na meron kang something na naiisip, no? Para magkaroon ng pagle-level up sa'yo. Maybe meron kang mga actions na ginagawa ngayon para mas mag-level up ka pa. Gusto mong mag-improve ang iyong finances, ang iyong career, and mataas yung pangarap mo eh. With the Star, I feel like with the Seven of Pentacles, gagawan mo talaga ng paraan para ma-achieve ito. So ngayon, maaaring sinisimulan mo na ito with the Page of Cups. May mga bagong ideas na nakukuha natin dito. Pwedeng may mga advice or may mga sinasabi sa'yo na paunti-unti na napapagtanto mo kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin ngayon para mas mag-improve pa yung finances mo. I feel like meron kang mga accomplishment nitong mga nakaraan or maybe like this year or last year. Nakakakita ko ng accomplishment sa'yo. And nandyan lang yan. Kumbaga lagi lang nandyan nagpapaalala, nagpapakita sa mga tao sa paligid mo na wow, kahanga-hanga ka talaga. Kaya lang hindi ka kasi nakokontento dito. Okay? I feel like you want more achievement. So, sino ba namang ayaw ng gano'n, no? Pero, meron kasing ibang tao na once na maybe nakuha na nila yung gusto nila, itinutuloy lang nila. Ikaw hindi eh. Bukod sa tinutuloy mo, gusto mo may isa pa. Another na naman. So, idadagdag dito. So, yung iba sa inyo, if you do have a business na ipinagmamalaki, yung pinag-investan mo ay like gusto mo siya mag-grow or gusto mo madagdagan, pwedeng gusto mo magkaroon pa ng isa pang negosyo, etc. etc. At nakikita natin na pwedeng ito yung pangarap mo, yung growth dito. For some of you, could be a businessman, businesswoman. So, yeah, you're climbing up the ladder, yeah, to success. And Four of Pentacles is here, Page of Pentacles. Actually, money is good. Hindi mo lang yun maramdaman sa ngayon because maybe marami kang kailangan gastusan. Pero sa totoo lang maganda yung sinasabi pagdating sa money mo, sa career and money mo. Okay? Kuha tayo ng konting message for air sign pagdating sa love. Messages for air sign pagdating sa love. Spirit guides, angel guides for air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Anong mga mensahe dito pagdating sa usaping pag-ibig? You do have here the Lovers. The Judgment. Nine of Swords and the Hierophant. Okay, clarify natin what's with the Lovers. Three of Wands. the Sun. What's with the Judgment? Five of Swords and Temperance. Dito muna tayo sa dalawang ito. Okay, for what I can see here, if you are in a relationship with the lovers, actually, ito maganda to, no? Someone wants to see you. Kung ikaw ay nasa isang relasyon, may taong nakikita natin na gustong makita ka. And I don't know kung may long distance connection ba sa inyo nitong taong to. But this person wants to see you. Yun yung makakapagpasaya sa kanya, yung makita ka. For some of you, pwedeng may someone na nangangarap pa na iba sa'yo. Even though ikaw ay nasa isang relasyon, pwedeng may iba pa ang nangangarap sa'yo. Like, this could be someone na gustong-gusto ka. Okay? For some of you, kung wala namang ibang other person na involved, I feel like ito yung mga messages Yung iba sa inyo might be your person is may pagkakahiwalay or paghihiwalay na mangyayari wherein pwedeng magtrabaho sa malayo itong person na connect mo. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, I can see someone like maybe bibisita. Okay, sa inyo if you are in a relationship. If you are like single, the Judgment could be dealing with your soulmate. I can see a soulmate energy here. With the Temperance, pwedeng there's someone na naghihintay sa'yo. Maybe this is a soulmate. Kaya lang with the Five of Swords, this person is not yet ready na harapin ka. Kasi may mga kailangan pa siyang gawin, ayusin sa sarili niya. So, I don't see any actions mula dito sa taong to. With the Four of Swords. Like this person might be minamanifest niya yung pakikipagkita, pakikipag-reconcile, pakikipag-date sa'yo. But, medyo marami pa siyang isipin at ginagawa ngayon. If you are this person naman na may pagkakatapos ng relationship in the past, connection in the past, Nine of Swords namin problema dito. And with the Hierophant, this is like your karma, your something na magbibigay ng matinding lesson sa'yo. And pwedeng ito yon. Okay, anyway. What will happen in the near future for you? In the near future for you, please, Spirit guides, angel guides. For our air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You do have the world, so like what I've told you kanina, pwedeng may pagkakalayo na mangyari sa inyo ng person mo because might be someone here would travel in the near future para doon mag-work. Medyo matagalang pag-i-stay ito sa ibang bansa. Sa ibang lugar. Not necessarily ibang bansa pwedeng ibang lugar lang. So may long distance connection, relationship sa inyo. Okay? For some of you, Knight of Swords, actually, there's a high chance of travel nga, na pwedeng may kinalaman sa contract or what. Tell me more messages for the air sign in the near future. Page of Swords is here. Queen of Wands and the Four of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. So, sa nakikita natin dito, Pwedeng with the Queen of Wands, may dumating na um, person or someone na ma-impluensyang tao sa buhay mo. And then parang maybe this person may offer or ibinibigay sa yung another line of career. Pwedeng maybe business or whatever. Kailangan mo mag-decide regarding dito in the near future. Ano yung advice regarding dito? The Emperor is here and the High Priestess is at the bottom of the deck. Alam mo, this is weird with the Emperor. Nakakita tayo ng person na hindi lang kasi isang something ang magbibigay ng success sa'yo. Okay? And maybe you are going to build something. Meron kang bubuin in the near future. And mas maganda kung uh, makikinig ka sa mga advice ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Pero syempre, ikaw pa rin ang kikilos or gagawa dito. Advice lang yun sa kanila. Okay, for some of you, with the Hierophant and the Nine of Swords, energy yung may problema pagdating sa karelasyon or kakatapos lang ng relationship. The Ten of Wands is here. I can see a lot of obligation. And what is the advice? Okay, the advice for you is the Ten of Pentacles. I feel like you need to focus on money. Sa totoo lang, maybe this person, nakakonect mo dito, kung aalis man siya, at least meron kang naitatabi or money. Parang hindi mo naman siya talaga kailangan. With the Strength card, kaya mong protektahan at bigyan ng or ibigay ang mga pangangailangan dito ng kung sino mang mga tao ang involved dito. Okay, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.